So in the old days, one uses a revolution counter with steam engines in order to get an impression how much coal, how much water is wasted during the whole running process. And I decided also to build in a small revolution counter next to the Stuart 5A, the main engine, and because the boat is somehow also an example for the next generation how these all these elements work together, and my amphora is for me now something like an educational equipment. So today I received now the revolution counter from Leeds, and I opened it. I already cleaned it. It has N-mile LED digits, wheels. So, and I clean it, and it's working like this. You turn this wheel, and then the numbers are counting up. And the other wheel on the other side is for the opposite direction. Of course, you can use this also independently to reset then by turning the whole counter to 0, but you have really to turn it like on the other side, the same amount on this side to turn it back. It's not a pure simple reset. I open it, clean it, restored also these nice front, cleaned the glass plate, and I will assemble it then also later to full working unit. But I just show it once again how it looks inside. It's hard to get in the internet pictures how they look inside, and it's a patented mechanism. To be honest, I don't understand. It's too complicated for me, but it's really nice. This is the equipment I use for the restoration in general. This is to dissolve the oil. The old oil is WD-40. This is some stuff to polish brass and to reduce the oxides. And this is wax, which is normally used for cars, and it's I use it also to cover the surface of them to prevent early oxidation. So in order now to move these wheels here and this axis to count the revolution of the steam engine, you need an adaptation from this counter. So I made these brass parts on my latte and also this steel piece. It fits here. You can then lock it. I made this lever or crank. It contains a bearing, a small bearing, which is unidirectional working. That means in one way it's blocking, and the other way it's free running. So what happens is if it moves like this axis is turned only in one direction, and the other it is blocked by this bearing. So I made it on my latte too. And this is a cap, and they're then all locked here. So here you see how it works. It has 15 millimeter swinging distance, and then you see it counts in. So now all is assembled. Functional test, freehand. And now I prepare the installation on board. Okay, now we are next to the Stuart 5A in the boat AMPHORA. I made a base plate here next to the mechanical lubricator, and this swinging arm here, or crank, which is driven by this eccentric. And now I will also connect later this revolution counter, as seen here from Leeds, via the connection to this screw, and then it will move like this. And then the revolutions of this steam engine will be counted here on the revolution counter. I will show this in a separated video then later with air pressure, but I have to build this link. This will be shown in a separated one. Thank you for your attention.